Hey everyone, Kritsonis here with WhatsYourTech.ca, and in this video segment we're going to take a look at the Clickfree Transformer SE, which is a device that allows you to back up data onto your iPod or iPhone or onto an external hard drive. Now, to demonstrate all this, I'm going to show you how to connect the device to an iPod or iPhone and then to a computer, which is actually quite simple. And then I'm going to show you actually how the software works, how it looks both on a PC and a Mac, so you can basically see what you can expect.
And here's the interface, and then you see the countdown here, which is just a basic backup, and this is the settings pane, the import music, which I'll show you in a second. And we go back to the settings, and here's basically where you can organize everything. But we're going to actually focus on importing music primarily here, because that's one of the best features. So we want to move music from the iPod or the iPhone to this PC running Windows 7. So here I can just pick any of the playlists that I have. So I'm just going to choose U2, or I have a couple of albums in there. And I want to transfer these from my iPhone to the PC. So here's the progress as you see on the bar. We're not going to show you the whole thing, of course, so we're going to skip to the end. And once that's done, it'll then copy all the songs over to iTunes, which is very simple. We'll see that in a second here. And it'll actually create the playlist on its own, which will be coming up in a second. There it is. And they just flow down like that. Simple as that, very seamless. And here's how the interface looks on the Mac, and you can see that it's pretty clean and pretty easy to navigate and manage what it is you're trying to do. You can see manage backups here, deleting click-free data, updating software, and of course you can see that the import music tab is up there at the top. And I am going to import music again here, and while I'm doing that, I am actually just going to explain a little bit more about how simple this whole process is. Clickfree talks a lot about how easy their products are. In fact, they even have people who wear t-shirts that say, "I'm easy." So that pretty much tells you that they really want to drive that message home. And you know what? They have a reason for that. And I think that given how simple and easy this product is to use, and that it can be used with iPods or iPhones and external hard drives, I personally found it extremely useful, but only because I could use it with both types of products.
Clickfree's Transformer SE is a very nice little device, in my opinion. Just the fact that it can back up data to an iPod or iPhone and to an external hard drive is ultimately very useful. But at the same time, I think the kicker to this device is the fact that you can migrate music from an iPod and iPhone to a computer, sort of circumventing some of the restrictions that Apple imposes with their devices, which is always a good thing. But really, it's about backup, and the importance of that you can't stress enough. And that's where I kind of thought about the price. I mean, $90 is a lot for what is essentially an adapter with some software embedded on it. But at the same time, losing your media, I mean, imagine losing all those photos. Those are priceless, and $90 probably is a price worth paying to make sure that all that stuff is safe. I would recommend it, though, only if you can use it for both purposes. What I mean by that is, of course, that you can use it with an iPod or iPhone, and you can use it with an external hard drive. Otherwise, if you only need it for either one of those things, Clickfree offers adapters, transformers, I should say, specifically for those reasons, at a cheaper price, by the way. In the end, if it's something that you really feel you need, I would definitely recommend it. For WhatsYourTech.ca, I'm Kritsonis. Thanks for watching.